Hello, good morning. This is your lesson number 3. We're still on unit number 6 and we will talk about take action. Now, are you ready? Prepare your pen and notebook with you and listen very closely, and I'll explain to you our lesson number 3. I have here 2 sentences. I will read for you. If we all boycott the supermarkets, comma, they will listen to us. Second, supermarkets won't change if only a few people protest. Our topic for today is all about first conditional. First conditional. First conditional. We use first conditional to talk about future possible situation and to describe its result. That's why in one sentence we have 2 phrases, or we have 2 clauses. We have 2 thoughts. Okay? Why? In using first conditional, we talk about future possible situation. That's number 1. Future possible situation, meaning not yet happened. It's about to be happen, or it will happen in the future. That's number 1. And not only to talk about future possible situation, and to describe the result. To describe the result. That's why we got 2 phrases in one sentence. We got 2 clauses, meaning one incomplete sentence, another incomplete sentence, and then we have one complete sentence. Okay, now, in talking about first conditional, take note of the word if. We use the word if. We use the word if to describe, to talk about possible future situations. That's why we can use if as a start. Okay, we got 2 rules for this. If we all boycott, the verb is in the present simple. If we all boycott the supermarkets, and then we can find a comma, they will listen to us. Now, which one is the situation? From this first sentence, which one is the situation? So this sentence is divided into 2. Here goes first, with a comma, and then here's the second. Okay, which one is the situation? A future possible situation. Correct. If we all boycott the supermarket, that's the future possible situation. And what will be the result? They will listen to us. That's why we use will. And we use the comma. That's rule number 1. If we use situation first, we use the comma before we will describe the result. Now, on lesson number 2, supermarkets won't change. Is this the result? Yeah. Supermarkets won't change. It's a negative for will. It's a short for will not. Supermarket won't change. But here, they will. And then listen. This one, the supermarkets won't change. And the situation, because of the word if only a few people protest. Okay, the situation, we use present simple. People protest, we use present simple. no comma, no comma. This is the result. This is the result. And this is the situation. And this is the situation. Simple. In using first conditional, we use if to describe a future possible situation. We use if to describe a future, to tell a future possible situation. And if we use situation first, we need to write, we put comma before we describe the result. And in describing the result, we use will or want. Will or want. Alright? Okay, let's recap. First conditional, we use to describe a future possible situation and to describe its result. And in using first conditional, we got two types, two kinds. Number one is, if we use situation first in a sentence, we use comma, and then we will describe the result using will or want. But if we use the result first in a sentence, no need to put comma, just continue with a future possible situation. Remember, situation, put comma, and then the result. Result, no comma, and then the situation. And then we use the present simple. Present simple form of the verb. Present simple form of the verb. And for describing future result, we use will or want. Alright, that's all for today. And I know you are excited for more exercises. We need to practice. That's why we need more sentences. On your next video is your exercise number 3. So wait for the next video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Write on your notebook and write the date today. Bye for now and see you on next video.